powerful chia milkshake to lose 6 kilos in 1 week. Chia seeds are one of the most beneficial seeds you can eat. They have a rich nutritional profile and offer numerous health benefits. Chia seeds can boost your digestion and metabolism and have been used against digestive problems for a long time. Thanks to their ability to boost digestion, they can also help you lose weight. According to numerous studies, consuming only 25 grams of these seeds can help you lose weight, but anything more than that can harm your health. The seeds are a powerful fat burner due to the presence of fiber. Fiber improves our digestion and regulates our bowel movements, and is very efficient against lazy intestines. By boosting our metabolism, chia seeds can remove fat from the critical zones on our body, the waist and belly. Chia seeds contain numerous vitamins and minerals such as calcium, which can help our body digest fats, and are highly satiating as well. By preventing hunger, they allow us to eat less, which results in a powerful fat-burning process. Additionally, chia seeds can fight stress and anxiety, and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can fight cellulite and delay the aging process. In order to lose weight, you need to consume the seeds for at least a month. They can be added to milk, yogurt, soups, juices and smoothies, as well as salads and various dishes. Today we are going to present a powerful fat-burning smoothie that can burn your belly fat and promote weight loss. The smoothie should be taken twice a day, in the morning on an empty stomach, and at least 3 hours before going to bed. The process lasts for 3 weeks and should be followed by a 3-week break. If you like, you can repeat it again for another 3 weeks. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 12 grams of chia seeds per smoothie, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 of papaya. Preparation: mix the milk and papaya in a blender, then add the seeds and stir well. Drink the smoothie right away, and drink another before going to bed to boost your metabolism and start losing weight. If you like video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.